Hi Long Beach, happy Mother's Day. Today we're going to be making a famous dessert called Arroz con Leche. The ingredients you're going to need today are some cinnamon sticks, some rice, some sweet condensed milk, and any milk of your preference. To start off, you're going to take 2 cups of rice, pour them into a pot, and you'll also take 4 cups of water and pour it into the pot as well. Make sure that it boils. While it's boiling, you're going to take one cinnamon stick, pour it into the pot, and let the cinnamon stick boil with the rice. If you'd like to add more cinnamon, it's up to you. It's all in your preference. Remember guys, to keep your flame on low once it starts boiling, and you can always cover it so that the rice can cook faster. Now we are going to, once your rice has fully cooked, we are going to open our condensed milk, sweetened milk, and we are going to pour to your liking. I like to pour a little more than half of the can. And then you'll mix. All together. To finish it off, you can add a cup of milk if you'd like your consistency to be a lot more looser. If you're okay with more of a pudding, then you don't need to add the milk. It's totally up to you. Thank you for cooking with us. If you have any ideas on what we should cook next, please make sure you leave it in the comments below. Also, make sure you like and subscribe to watch our videos. Adios, Long Beach.